Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show three easy hairstyles which anyone can do and it is appropriate for every day. So first take side partition like this and then take front section like this. Then after parting your front section just take two little strands like I'm doing here and then start twisting this. And then add a little hair in front like this and then start twisting. Just keep on adding hair in the front, do not add hair at the back. Just continue doing it until you reach your side part like this. It's very easy and simple and you can see how I'm doing rather than me explaining. So yes, until you reach your end just start twisting this. So once you're done twisting your hair, just take bobby pins and secure it. So I'm going to take two bobby pins and I'm going to secure it like this in X shape. And after that, I'm going to cover the bobby pins with my hair like I did here. So after that, I'm going to pull this twisted part so that it won't look flat. Just be gentle while doing this. Do not pull your hair. Don't want your bobby pin to get loose or anything. So after that, just take your elastic and grab all your hair to one side. And I'm going to take little strand out like that. And then I'm going to secure all my hair with this elastic and you are done with this first hairstyle, which is easy and yet looks glamorous and elegant. So this is how it looks. Same on the other side as well. So instead of twisting you can also braid your section if you want to, but I'm going to do twist because it's very easy and it takes less time. So after securing it, I felt on my left side my twist have gone down, so I'm going to redo it. And then after doing the twist part, just grab all your hair together, make a high ponytail and secure it with the elastic, and then pull your twist so that it looks more neat and not flat. So this is the second hairstyle. And for the last and final hairstyle, just grab all your hair together and make a high pony and secure it with your elastic like I'm doing here. And that's all. Just pull it gently and that's all for the last hairstyle. If you don't like it this flat in front, just pull your hair in the front like I do here. Just pull it uh, like slowly so that your elastic won't get loose or anything. And yes, with that we finish this hairstyle video. Thank you all so much for watching.